Hey guys, we are back again. Look at this. What happened here? The account, you can see the account is growing, not growing. Voila! Yep, it is grown. Did you see? It was 48 cents and now it's 50 cents. Okay. Rome was not built in a day. It took years. So we are starting from 48 cents and now it's 50 cents. You can see we are in profit here. Yeah, we took a long trade based on what we see here. We see a double bottom. Okay, you can see a double bottom. You guys see the double bottom right there. And we came back, retested that line. This is the line there of our interest. That's the line of our interest. Now we took a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, so it sends us here. This is the hourly chart, so this is going to be it's a swing trade probably. It's probably going to take a couple hours or days before we hit our target. So that's our target. So we're going to report this when we meet again. So when did we take the trade today? We took the trade out of our normal trading hours. Our normal trading hours are 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But we decided to do something different because this account was obliterated yesterday. So if you didn't watch our previous video, let me go and bring that up for you guys. I can show you. You want to go and watch this. Okay, let me see if I can bring it up. It's this one here. You see that video right there? No, that's not it. I'll show you right now. Yeah, here it is. This one here. This one here, that's me. Right there. Lost everything. You guys want to go watch that, okay? And give it some love. Show it some love because it shows you exactly there. That's what you want to go and watch. We were using the 5-minute breakout strategy. You guys want to watch it and comment down here, okay? Ask your questions, everything, okay? So it's going to show you that, okay? And there's a lot of key nuggets here, especially you have to watch up to the end of it because at the end of it, I show you this app, okay? I give you exclusive access to this app here. Let me see if it's going to load up. My internet is very slow right now. But anyway, while it is loading, let me show you the market. What's going on in the market right now? Look at NASDAQ. Okay, so we went to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so that's basically what we did. We looked at the 1-hour time frame and we realized we have a double bottom right here. And now we are coming out of that. Now, double bottom is one of the strongest features that you can ever have. If you don't know how to trade double bottoms, if you don't know how to trade any of these things that I'm talking about, all you have to do is go and join the Smart Wolf Club. Okay, so just go to the Smart Wolf Club. Okay, just go to the Smart Wolf Club, guys. Right here, Smart Wolf Club. Explore our services. All right, put your name there, your email address. It's free. You're gonna get instant access. Once you get instant access, you're gonna start following our live trades. However, if you want one-on-one training, you can join any of this. What are you into? Are you interested in Forex? Like now we're trading Forex, so you can just go and subscribe. Okay, so that will be a cup of coffee. Just enough. A cup of coffee is all it costs, is all you need to, yeah, it's all you need. Okay. All right, guys. So I'll see you in the inside. But in the meantime, let me show you how we came up with that trade, which we just took, and you can see it is in the money right now, okay? Though in a small way, but it is in the money. You can see the account is growing. Our goal is to get this account to 1,600. So my student is looking for finances. It's going to put about $100 here. Then we can start growing that slowly over time to get to 1,600. So we've already gone down the PTSD stuff, the TLD. It's not PTSD, it's Papa Tango Tango Lima Delta. Papa Tango Tango Lima Delta. Post-traumatic trading loss disorder. Okay, that's what my student was suffering from. And we have gone through the episodes of trying to exhaust that demon. And I think we are prepared now to start taking the trades seriously. So we are using real account so we can mimic what happens in the real world. Because we tried to use demo accounts, it wasn't cutting it. Okay, demo accounts, the feeling is different. Okay, paper money, feeling is different. But if you don't know how to trade, use that demo accounts, paper money. Because let me put a disclaimer here: whatever I'm showing you is very risky, guys. Very risky. You can lose your entire investment. You can lose your money. So only trade money that you can afford to lose. My student could afford to lose this. That's why we were able to trade and let the accounts go down to zero, while we see the mistakes, lot sizes, no stop losses, the lot size, the risk management was zero. So right now, what are we learning from this? Risk management is paramount, okay? You can only risk a small percentage of your account each time you take a trade, probably risking what? Most of our coaches, those who are trading massive accounts, millions of dollars in their accounts, they risk about 0.5%, 0.5% to 3%. The most aggressive ones are risking about 3%. Okay. Now, when you have a tiny account, sometimes you want to grow faster. It is natural. You want to make more money quick, but that's what's going to get your hands chopped off, burnt. Okay. You're going to get your neck. Yeah, the brokers are going to take your money. Margin call. Yesterday, we demonstrated how you get the margin call. That was the second time we were demonstrating that. Okay. So I think we are done with that. We're going to get into serious trading where we're going to follow proper risk management. So starting next week, we're going to have these live tradings from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so what you do, go to your trading view right now and change this to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is the New York time. Okay, so just go there and look for New York time, which is right here, UTC -4. Okay, we'll be trading NASDAQ. Okay. My student uses FBS as the broker. So depending on where you come from, you can have a different broker. Okay. FBS may not be available in your country. You can use different brokers. Okay. Doesn't matter. Whatever broker you have. But if you want to use FBS, I can put the link in the description. But make sure you have a TradingView account. I've put the link in the description for you guys. Okay. So you'll be following us next week. So our flagship strategy, we have 3 strategies that we use to trade. Number 1, there is the free flow color change strategy. Okay, this is for those of you who are extremely aggressive. You want to go in quickly, you want to lose quickly, or you want to make money quickly. Okay, so you either lose money quickly or you make money quickly. That is for those of you who have the aggressive nature. Then there is a moderate, conservative nature. We go with the breakouts, the ORBs, open range breakout strategies. Okay, we have the open range breakout strategy, the 5-minute, where we simply mark the opening, okay, of the bar. So we go to 5 minutes here, we put 5 minutes. Okay, let me just demo this really quickly for some of you who don't know what I'm talking about. And this was the 9:30 a.m. bar today. You see that bar there? This is the 9:30. You can see the time down here. It's 9:30. This was the bar. So you're going to get your rectangle tool and you're going to mark that right there. There you go. Boom. There we go. So we started, the 5-minute bar was a bearish candle, was red candle, went down. You can see that. But however, then you go down to the 1 minute. So we're going to do the scalping. This is the 1-minute scalping strategy with the 5-minute open bar. So we're going to wait for a breakout. That's a breakout. We're going to wait for a retest, which never happened. So you guys can see no retest happened today. So there would be no trade taken today with no retest. There's no retest. Okay. No retest happened today. You guys can see the whole day the NASDAQ has stayed above the fray. So no trade would have been taken today using that, because we never opened, we broke out, but we never retested the zone at all. We did not. Okay. Now the other strategy that we use is the 15 minutes. It's pretty close. Okay. So what we do, we wait for the first 15 minutes to take place. There we go. That's the first 15 minute. You can see that's the first 15-minute bar. Where's today's bar? Here we go. Okay, we wait for the first 15 minutes. This is how the bar looked like today, okay? And then we go down to the 5 minutes and we see if there was any breakout. Yes, there was a breakout. Is there a retest? Not so far. No retest, okay? Now, we could trade a reversal on this one. We're going to be looking for a reversal pattern. You see here, we have a bearish engulfer candle. So you could enter that and ride it to the bottom. However, you can see what is going on here. It is not going down, okay? It is not going down, okay? So we do have another strategy that we could use for trading, okay? The other strategy is the moving averages, okay? So we wait once the market opens. We look at the directions of these moving averages. If they're pointing up, you can see it is pointing up. So as soon as it breaks out here, we're going to wait for it to come and cross over the 50. The 50 is the white one, okay? So it's on the lower side here. Once it starts breaking above the 50, you could enter the trade with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. So we're going to take a long position right there. Our stop loss is going to be right below that bar, very tight stop loss, and we're going to have a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, okay? Now we do that on the 1 minute bars, okay? 1 minute bars. 1 minute bars. I repeat, 1 minute bars, guys. Don't get confused. So we come down. You can see the 5 minutes, we marked the range, we break out, we wait for this to come below the 50, closes above the 50. We'll try to see if there is a value gap. No value gap. We don't enter the trade. We're going to wait for another attempt to break above the 50. We look at that. Value gap. No value gap in sight. We go along looking for another one. Any value gap? Seems like there is one here. It didn't break up. Here it did. So this one here broke out. Any value gap there? Any points of interest on this side prior to where we are breaking out? Any points of interest? Yes, we can see there's areas here of interest that could be broken, zones that could be taken out. We are looking at this. This is another interesting zone that could be taken out. So this would be something that you could consider to take a trade on. Okay, so you could come there. Stop loss is going to be just the previous, that one there, and we can go for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, and boom, that would have been hit after how many bars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, that could have hit your take profit, a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, guys. So not many opportunities there today. It's a Friday, so most markets, most institutional guys are just consolidating their positions, closing the week. It was a tough week for NASDAQ. Okay, so that's exactly what happened. There we go. So you got it. So if you are not sure about these strategies, you can always get those in our training right here. So just go to the Smart Wolf Club, explore our services, enter your information, and of course you're going to pick one of these packages if you want if you want to be trained. Now if you want one-on-one, there you go, you can subscribe here, and I'll be there to help you guys. Okay, so Forex, subscribe to the Forex trading. It's only $27. It's a cup of coffee. Okay, cup of coffee, a small cup of coffee. You buy us some coffee. Actually, they don't need the money. My coaches don't need the money. We don't need the money. It's just to get commitment on your part. We used to do this for free for years, but most people will not show up. They will not do the homework because there's no skin on the game. But you pay $27, maybe you may show up. Okay, it may make you feel like, hey, I need to show up for the training. So there you go. That's why we have it. You got it, right? Because some people are asking, why are you charging for this? We don't really have to, but we have to keep you guys in check. Yeah. So you don't, yeah, so you can stay out of trouble. So this is still work in progress. We just tried to change the format of the site. That's why it's looking like this. If you've seen our previous Smart Wolf Club website, now we are actually using the power of AI to create this now. So we're just trying to revamp it. So if you go there and it is down, just know that we are working on it. Okay, come back later. You should be able to sign up. And if you have any problems, you can always reach us. Our information is already in the. You can comment below here. Okay, we read the comments. Just comment here. You're having difficulties. We will sort you out. Okay. All right. I think I should stop it. Let's see where we are now. Did it go down? Doesn't matter. This is a practice account. So let's see where it is now. 46. So what is it doing? It went down. No, actually it does. It's still positive. Yeah, it's still positive. But I don't know why it showed 46. I don't know. It's showing 46. But it is positive. See, it's above. Let's see here. This is where we entered. All right, we let it do its thing. This trade is gonna last maybe it's 2 days or 3 days. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so let me publish this. Changes have been done, so we're gonna publish this. So guys, I'm working on this on the fly, guys. I'm actually working on that site right now while we're talking. And if you guys want to learn how to do stuff with AI, again, we have a whole training for you guys. Okay, just go over here. One of the plans here is AI. If you want to learn how to work with AI, complete automation system, it's just 27 per month. Okay, you're going to go through the trainings. Okay, now if you want one-on-one, here you go. There you go. And this gives you everything. Okay, this package here for $497, that gives you all these trainings. You have access to all these. You're gonna go to our Discord and you can access all these trainings. Okay, if you just pick traveling, you want to learn about traveling strategies. You know, people just travel, but there are strategies when it comes to traveling, you know. So there you go. There you go. Lifestyle. Okay, blockchain, you want to learn about crypto. Okay, staking, liquidity, provision, things like that. There you go. Futures, you want to trade futures. There you go. Stock options trading, stocks trading. There you go. Everything you want to trade. Okay, it's available. Okay, no problem. You want to learn about AI, go right here, sign up. Okay, you're gonna get the training. You access the training on our Discord server, and any future trainings that we carry, they're gonna be there for you to access. Okay, and now if you need one-on-one, it costs a bit more because it means the coach has to spend some time with you, and the more commitment you have, probably you're gonna show up for the training, because some people didn't show up for the training either. You schedule the Zoom call, they don't show up. You schedule the Teams meeting, they don't show up. You send them the link, they tell you they didn't receive the link. They tell you grandmother was this, oh my job, oh my 9 to 5. So all those excuses out of the window, guys. Okay, so we are not taking those excuses. Something wrong with the, you see something wrong with the, all right, let me just go fix this. Something wrong with the logo. Let's see, do we have the logo? Yeah, here is the logo. Fix the logo issues. Incorporate this picture as part of the logo and do not change anything else. So that's how we do this. If you want to learn how to do this for yourself, so right now my AI is going to add the logo and restore the logo the way it was, because I see it has changed the logo without asking me. The AI did not ask for permission, but now I'm going to put the logo back. Now VoxFit, you guys need to go to voxfitapp.com. I'll put the link on the below this video. Go and get that VoxFit. Okay, this is the future, guys. You want to take care of your health, you want to take care of your wellness. When we talk about making money, We want you to be well. We want you to be healthy so you can make more money and enjoy the freedoms that come with that. Okay. So we are not only going to teach you how to make money, we are also going to teach you, going to help you how to be healthy. We created this for our members in the Smart Wolf Club, but we've decided to open it out for about 100 of you. So if you're going to see the link is still active, go ahead and sign up. Okay. You're going to be grandfathered for any future developments. There's a whole pipeline of developments that's going to take place. And all you can do with VoxFit, look guys, you can log in your vitals, your blood pressure, your glucose, your heart rate, your weight every single day. Okay, it's finished. I got an alert. They have done that. Where is the logo? Oh, it is not showing, man. The image is not showing. I don't see it. Okay, let me publish this. Okay, so I'm gonna have to you see, this is something happening here with the logo. It's missing that Smart Wolf, the emblem is missing. That's what we want to put here. So I just told them to do that, but let's publish those changes and see if the emblem is there. I'll just take a screenshot and show them what is. All right, guys, so I think I should end this training here so I can work on that site. See, it has gone up, guys. You see, it is going up. Slowly, we're going to get to $1, then $2, then $3. But my student is going to put about $100. So when we meet on Monday, we're going to be training with about $100 here. So we're going to start with $100. Our journey would be 1600. That was going to be our stop. 100 to 1600. You want to be on that challenge. You don't want to miss that challenge. And actually, this is going to be the heading of this discussion. $100 to 1600 within no time. Maybe you guys want to put a deadline? No, maybe not, because we don't control the market. Okay, let's see. Maybe we should not put a deadline. Let me see if this thing shows up. The emblem is missing. Yeah, you see, the emblem is still missing. Okay, so let me take a screenshot and show them what's going on. No. Delete. I'm going to do a screenshot for a selected zone. Yeah, that's the zone right there. All right, I'm going to copy that, and then I go back, and I'm going to tell the AI. Now, the AI I'm using is Hostinger Horizons to build stuff. I can put the link in the description. Guys, use my link, okay? If you use my link, these guys give me a reward, and it motivates me to make more of this, okay? Because if you're enjoying how to build stuff, building a whole business website, you have a business, you don't have a website, we can build that in 2 minutes, okay? Just need the ideas, we can do that. And if you need help, just join one of our coaching plans here. Get one of these. Making money online with AI. Just buy that and I'll help you build your sites. It doesn't matter. You want one-on-one? Right there, subscribe. $4.97 monthly. You pay that and you get a website built for you using AI. Very simple. Doesn't matter what type of a website. We can do it. Okay? We've built apps. It doesn't matter. An app like this was built using AI. Okay, this app here was built using AI. And this app, you just speak. So let's say my glucose levels is 120. Oh, it says my blood pressure. Okay. Glucose levels 120. Stop. Say the vital name. My blood glucose. Oh, okay. My blood glucose is 120. There you go. Looks good. It talks to me. It actually tells me looking good. All right, let's say my blood pressure. My blood pressure is 120/80. Boom. Tells me it says blood pressure is is slightly elevated. Okay, so 120/80 is slightly elevated. So they want it lower than that. But that is not professional advice. So you can check that with your, okay. All right, so let's go back to the, what are we looking at? Okay, so let's see here. I'm trying to tell them that paste, okay. The emblem is still not showing. The emblem is still not showing up. Fix the issue. And I'm going to bring the emblem. The emblem is right here. It is Smart Wolf Club. Actually, it's down here. If I scroll, I can see it. Oh, man, they're getting too many now. It's this one, Smart Wolf Club emblem. Where did I see it? There, the logo. Head only. That one. Boom. Okay, so they're gonna fix that. All right, so we know we have the strategy, we have the asset we want to trade. So the only thing we also have the time that we want to trade is 9:30 to 11. We know how much money we have. We're gonna have about $100. What is our target? 10%. Okay, we're gonna be targeting to grow it by 10%. Very aggressive. Okay. How much are we willing to lose? 10%, okay? We're only willing to lose $10 to make $10, okay? A 1-to-1 risk ratio, because it's a small account. We'll be willing to lose $10 to make $10. And then very soon, we're going to scale it up. We're going to scale it down. We're going to scale our risk to less. We're going to be risking less to make more, okay? And using the power of compounding, we're going to grow that account. Okay, that's what we're going to do. All right, guys. So I think let me end the training here. But before I go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then I'll see you guys next time. And the topic of discussion is from 100 to 1600. Join us, guys. Join the journey. Join this starting next week, Monday. We're going to have these live sessions at 9:30. It's going to be live, so you can come and ready to trade. Okay. No guarantees that you're going to achieve any results. We are not promising any results. We are not professionals. We have to put this disclaimer because people get carried away and they forget common sense. Okay? Let's end this on a high note. Let's say a word of prayer. In the belief of Power Mighty, we pray that whoever is going to apply this training, whoever is going to show up for the training, may be successful. We pray that the markets be good to us. In the name, in the belief of the Power Mighty, we pray. Amen. Guys, I'm going to end this training now, and I will see you on Monday.